Ooh, what's up, peoples? What's up? Hope everybody doing good out there. A little frustrated. Uh, I'm gonna go on a tangent all of 2 minutes. I promise. After that, we go get into some good stuff. So yes, nope. I'm gonna start from last week. So I end up. Let's refresh. Hope everybody's doing good. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. This weather in Connecticut is crazy. I don't know because we're getting these little storms, so it's darker. It's dark outside. It's not hot. Usually, when I do this vlog, it's usually hot as hell. But I'm gonna take this weather because this weather is pretty cool. Moving fast forward for that one. Moving fast forward. Last week I ordered some tires from eBay, and they're brand new. So here's what I'm gonna point out to if I could get it out. Where did it go? So right here. All right, about let's see. Ah, perfect, right there. You see that? I'm gonna make a point about this story. So I have an 02 Acura TL Type S. And you see about right here, ladies and gentlemen. So those two match because I need new tires for this car. I ordered those tires from eBay, brand new, nothing wrong with them at all. 2 years ago, I went to the shop and got used tires. Now the tires I have right now, there's no good or anything. There's no good. I got to replace them all four of them. I go to the shop yesterday, and I was very disappointed. And this is not a big time shop. It's a small shop, and it's for, you know what? Like they said, customer is always right. Talk to the customer before you start getting aggressive. So the guy and his two guys, like I was my last car in the shop, in the bay, and I guess the manager, whatever you want, a manager, I'm going to just say manager. So the manager got a little aggressive. He starts taking my tires off. He takes, oh no. So what's wrong? Wrong size tires. No. No, it's not. They're the right size tires. I promise you. Just listen to me. I'm going to tell you. I could show you my phone, and the sticker that's in the door will tell you it's a 17. No. Don't want to. So, here's what I always say to myself. You stay calm, collective, and cool. I said, listen, I'm not trying to disturb nothing. I'm just letting you know those are the right size tires for those cars because that's what it says in the door. Nope, Okay. By this time, they already took off like 3 out of the 4 tires off my car. I said, if that's the case, take my tire off, put my tires back on. Don't worry about it. I go somewhere else. Here's what I always gotta say. Don't argue with the customers. They put money in your pocket. They might give you a good recommendation. Even though you're a small shop, they might give you a good recommendation. Hey, I got a good deal at the shop. The problem is I had with it was the guy was just so aggressive about it. You ain't got to worry about me putting money in your pocket, in your employee's pocket, or recommendation for your shop. Because you know why? You never know who you're going to run into because when you, I remember you. Oh, I remember you too. You gave me a hard time about my tires. And guess what? Those tires fit that car. I did my research on it, and I was happy about it. But don't piss me off and saying that it don't work. It's only an inch. If I had an 18, then I understand. It might be off a little bit because the air is going to come out. These are 17 rims, but it goes along with the tires. For you small shops out there, work with the customers. Not all small, I shouldn't say shops, but yeah, I'm gonna say shops. But even down to the supervisor, you listen to the customer. You double check. And I even told the guy, I said, open my door and check it. Guess what he did? Nope, I'm not going to look. Nope, it's not going to work. Fine. Didn't put my tires back in my car. I'm glad to go somewhere else. Because you know what's going to happen? If you're going to do it to me, you're going to do it to the next person and the next person. And it's going to be ugly. And I'm glad I did not get my tires done there. Because I feel like you just took a shortcut of putting tires, brand new tires in my car. You didn't bother looking in my door. So that being said, I still got 4 brand new tires in my car, inside my car and my trunk, that I need to get replaced, which is I got to get done before the weekend, which it is going to get done. I'm not worried about that. But as moving forward, we have a couple good stuff that I end up ordering for this car. And so I order a couple things. I think I told you guys the first one was the time for a new selfie strip. The first thing was what was the first thing? The first thing was, it is muggy. I'm already hot, so new headlights for the car because it's getting converted over. Got that done. Oh my god, that's much better. Feels so warm. And the second thing, oh shoot, I'm about to fall. So here, oh, that's a perfect shot. New headlights, which is cool, which I'm making it work. And the second thing is new headers. 1320 new headers. I have researched, and it's not too many places I know. I gotta check it out. I have not taken out just for to take out the bag. Wow, this is interesting. I like it. Likey me, likey. Look at that bad boy. That's how it comes. So, put this back in the bag. I did a lot of research, and it wasn't too many performance headers for this car. I didn't want to order another one from eBay. I wanted something at least affordable, which was very affordable. They had it on sale, so I ended up getting it. And I cannot wait to finish up today. I gotta really get in and start putting stuff back into the car, engine-wise, start getting things together, which I'm gonna do. And it's the same company. Where did we go? Same company that makes my upper engine mounts. Pretty cool. So I appreciate 1320 that makes these parts for this car, because it was kind of hard. I needed something that fits this car, especially the engine bay. And I'm not doing it, like I always say, I don't do an engine swap, not until I get further along, if I wanted to get it done. That being said, I am super excited to get these parts, and it's made by the same company again, and I cannot wait. It comes with all the hardware for the headers. Same thing with the engine mount. Same thing. All the hardware comes with it, which I'm going to put these bad boys on. I got some other stuff that I'm going to get done, because it's going to get done. It have to get done today. I took today, well, no. Usually I work on Wednesdays, but today it really got to get packed in. In the weekend, I got to figure out some other stuff. What else we got going on? So those are kind of things I'm, working with. Once I put stuff together, I got to take the old headers off, put these on, make sure they fit. I bought new jack stands. Harbor Freight actually has some good ones too. If they do the like a clearance and the price starts dropping, go get some good jack stands. I end up getting 3 tons jack stands for a nice little price. I think it was like $50 per, yeah, per set. And this is the one with got the little latch key in it, and you're good to go. Bought two of those bad boys, so pretty much total of four of them. I got to jack the car up, take the wheels off because I'm gonna start doing some stuff underneath the car. As far as like taking the exhaust off, I got some other stuff I gotta do on the left side of the car, and trying to think, and some other stuff. But other than that, it was good to go. I bought those last week. This week, well, last week. This actually took, the headers took like 4 days. It depends where you live at. So in Connecticut, it took like 4 days. Anything I get from California and come to Connecticut, it takes like 4 days. Depends. Sometimes it might take 5 days. So I'm all square with this. I gotta do that stuff. I'm gonna try to have. I'm just gonna just do what I gotta do so I get this car up and running, back running. That's gonna be the number one thing. And like I said, today's gonna be one of those things. I just want to do a quick vlog before everybody start calling me. Hey, what you doing today? Da 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 da. Whatever case may be. So, that being said, I thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing, and thank you for like everything. It's the universe of positivity for me. The TL go get the brand new wheels this week. I gotta get it done, and I also gotta do an oil change. So that's a whole nother ball game. I might do that today because my car is running real sluggish. I hate my car real sluggish with it. What else we got going on? I think that's pretty much it. Just like I said, quick vlog. Oh no. One more. So here's the other thing. I had lock nuts. You see how it chipped up? Is all jacked up because I lost the key to this, and it go to my the Acura. And so I went to this again. When you go to Harbor Freight, you always find something that's affordable. Again, these are good to have. I love these damn things. I wish the price was a little cheaper in a way, but these are coming in handy. Do not ask to borrow this. I would tell you go to Harbor Freight to get your own, because these things are. When I tell you it comes with the it's a universal lock nut removal set, but also it comes with a little pin. You can knock I can't even talk today. You can knock, once you get locked in, you can knock the lug nut out. So out the socket. And that being said, I was happy to get that stuff done. So anytime you have a problem with that, use that. All the stuff I buy is pretty much from Harbor Freight, which is a really affordable and really good to have. We gotta do today, but I'm gonna try to do a couple things with these cars. I gotta try to put this car back together. I gotta try to do an oil change with the Acura today before I leave out of here. I really want to do it. I just pulled up here like 2 minutes ago. So when the car cools down, I'm gonna go in here. Speaking of, shoot. All right, that was a deep thought. But again, wonderful. Thank you for sharing, liking. Continue supporting. I'm gonna continue finding more stuff to do. And on that note, thank you. Oh yeah, this is my little famous quote for myself. Hope it works for you too. If people don't do it for you, you do it for yourself. Think about it. Don't ask anybody for a favor. You do it for yourself. And that's why I always been. So, on that note, thank you for watching again for the third time. Thank you for supporting again for the third time. We're going to get this thing rolling, and cannot wait to put the headers on. See how this... I already got the aftermarket exhaust. But one more thing with this headers. These are... I'm going to mess it up. No, I'm not even bother. But this is one of the headers that sound like a freaking the Subaru sound. So, on our point of saying that, have a great day. Again, don't ask for nobody for a favor. You do it for yourself. On that note, catch you later.